Hey, Powderporn fans, I have a new project and I need your help. Does anyone know for certain what the original finish was on these Mopar 6-pack Tri-Power air cleaners? Looks like the base was painted silver, but again, I'm not certain. And the last I knew, these were actually finished in what I believe is a black wrinkle or maybe a semi gloss. I don't know. They were made before I was born, barely. But if you know for sure, please give me a shout out or call the shop. 731-613-9192. He wants it to look factory after getting it polished by his polisher guy. And yeah, I just want to make him happy like usual. So hit me up. Let me know what you think. Thanks. I appreciate it. Mwah. Love y'all.